So we started the treatment on these particular ramps, and you can see that we've got the chemical going on this one, and it did look like this just a few minutes ago. And the same thing with this particular ramp. Well, it's not really a ramp, a platform, and that platform, they're filthy, dirty, and they're in good shape. I mean, they need some new nuts and bolts and that kind of thing. But other than that, they're aluminum, so they don't rot, they don't rust, they don't corrode, and they just get dirty. And this is the platform that we're working on right now with our chemical treatment. And you'll see pretty soon, not only will it be shiny and new, but this one and the rest of the ramps that are here are all going to look